ভিডিও করতেছে। Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you. Can I ask you about you? Yes, of course. What's your name? My name is Islam Samir. What's your father's name? My father's name is Raju Khan. What's your mother's name? My mother's name is Priya. What's your brother's name? My brother's name is Shanto Khan. What's your sister's name? My sister's name is Maya. What's your favorite color name? My favorite color name is red. What's your favorite subject name? My favorite subject name is English. What's your favorite cartoon name? My favorite cartoon name is Putpatu. What's your favorite fruit name? My favorite fruit name is apple. What's your favorite flower name? My favorite flower name is rose. When do you get up? I get up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. When do you go to school? I go to school at 9 o'clock. When do you come back home? I come back home at 4 o'clock. When do you go to play? I go to play at 5 o'clock. How many pens do you have? I have two pens. How many cats are there in your room? There are two cats in my room. How much water do you have? I have 2 liter water.